Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into SiteGround affiliate program, beginner guide step by step clearly. To log into the SiteGround affiliate program, first, open your web browser. Type in the SiteGround URL and press enter. Look for the affiliate link on the home page. Click on the affiliate link to access the affiliate program page. Once on the affiliate page, locate the login button. Click on the login button to proceed to the login page. Here, you will see fields for your email and password. Enter the email address associated with your affiliate account. Next, input your password in the designated field. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. After entering your email and password, click on the login button. Wait for the page to load, which may take a few moments. Once logged in, you will be taken to your affiliate dashboard. Here, you can access your earnings, statistics, and promotional materials. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. If you encounter any issues, check your internet connection. You can also try clearing your browser cache and cookies. Logging into the SiteGround affiliate program is just that simple. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.